Hello guys. This is the third lecture of C language. And we learn output of C language. To output values or print text in C, you can use the printf function. When you are working with text, it must be wrapped inside double quotations marks. If you forget the double quotes, an error occurs. You can use as many printf functions as you want. However, note that it does not insert a new line at the end of the output. Now let's see the code. Hash include stdio.h. In main. Printf hello world and semicolon. After that return 0 and semicolon. If we run this code, it will give output hello world. Now if we remove the double quotes. Now if we run the code, it will give error. You can see that in output section. Now if we use too many printf function, output will be in one line. You can see that in output section. If we want to print text in new line, then we have to add \n in printf. It means when compiler see \n in printf function, then next text will print in new line in output section. If you use 2 times \n continuously, it will act as blank line. You can see that in output section. You can use \n like this also. Like and subscribe for the next part.